What's up everyone, welcome to part 26 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. So in the last video we just made application looks. So this is how the application looks like. So in the emulator it looks like if I click on the light button it is going to give me a drop down that was going to give the option of light, amber, brown or dark, and that's how the application looks like right now. So in this video I'm just going to create the logic at the Java and the application is going to be ended. So in the upcoming videos we will move forward to creating another application. So this is the last part of this application. So it's just a simple application. So now what I'm going to do is if I click on the button nothing happens. So we have to create onclick to our button. So what you have to do is create an onclick method to that. So I'm going to click on onclick. So after the onclick has been created, I'm going to go and give the name to an onclick method. So give the name to an onclick method. So I'm going to give the name as being creative onclick find drinks. So that's about simple it is. So that's what came in my mind. So as you know, there's giving me a squiggling line that is inside a red color. That means it's a warning. So for that we have to create an on click to this main activity.java. So it's just a shortcut. So what you have to do is after you create it like this, so it is going to give me a warning. So if I click on the red one, it will tell me that should I create on click find ring to main activity. So I'm going to click yes. So it automatically generated code for me, public void on click find drinks. So just for your understanding I created all of this one. So I'm going to go and copy this one. So if I go and type it out, so you know that what I'm going to go and type out. So let me just go and indent it everything. So let me go and keep it on a straight line and remove this one. Right, so now what I have to do over here is let me just go and open up the import. So as you know there was view.view not added as I created an auto import. It created values. So now get reference to text view. So if I click on text view, what do you have on text view is going to be text view. So now I have to go and create whatever things is there inside a text view. So get reference to the text view. So I'm going to go and type text view. Then I'm going to go and give brands then is equal to, and if you know by it right now, we have to add what is text view and then text view. Then we create on find view by id. If I click on that I have to give the reference that what is the id of on text view. So text view id is brands. So now I have to go and keep it on r dot. So you might understand that why I keep on capital R. Capital R refers to res folder, and inside the res folder we have a layout has an id of that. So I will keep r.id.brands. So it is going to connect with that and I have to end the statement. Now get refer to a spinner. So I'm going to go and type spinner. It is going to be having the property of color. Now I'm going to go give the colors and then back with the spinner. After that find view by id. Oh, you know you are getting expert by this right now. So find view by id dot colors. So okay, only color closest form get selected item in the spinner. So now I'm going to go and type string will be drink type capital T, and then is going to be string. Now I have to give a value of. So value of will be color dot get selected item. So that is going to be something new for you. So that's what you'll learn from this particular application. Alright, so after display select item brand dot set text drink type. So if I go and run the application, so I don't have any connected device, so I'm going to use my emulator. So I'm going to click on OK. After I clicked on OK, So I will get all of the option. This is green, light, amber, dark, and so I click on button and I get the option of light. If I click on amber, I click on button again, I'll get amber. So that's how simple it is. So now if I think you must be more interested to know how the advisor works, so for that we are going to create another activity for that. So to get the activity for that, we have to create a Java class for that. So to create a Java class, I'm going to go click on right click, new Java class, and here I'm going to give the name as string advisor. So now I'm going to give it as string expert, string expert, and I'm going to click on OK. So now I'm going to go and use the list to do that. So if I click on enter, now I have to type all the list to that. So I'm going to go and type list string list string. Now I'm going to go and give it as list will be string brand is equal to new array list. Now I'm going to go and if color dot equals equals amber and curly braces brands dot add, and inside that I'm going to go and name as Maza, and then close this one. Now I'm going to keep it as brand dot add and then keep it as Sprit is right, and then and this one as well. So if I have if statement, I need to have an else statement as well. So I'll keep it else, and now I'm going to go and give another name that is going to be brands dot add, and then inside this one I'm going to keep it as Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Now and this one brand dot add, and then again I'm going to go and give it as name as 7 up. So these are all famous strings. So this is going to be a short break application. So that's about it for this application. I hope you found this video informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll create another application. So see you guys in the next one.